Meaning of finger painting.
Finger painting.
Finger painting.
Finger painting.
Finger painting. Finger painting is a form of art that involves painting with one's fingers instead of traditional brushes. The result of finger painting is often characterized by bold, thick strokes and a tactile texture, as the paint is applied directly with the fingertips. This technique allows for a more direct, intuitive approach to painting that can create a sense of spontaneity and raw expression. Finger painting is popular among children, but is also used by many artists as a creative technique to explore new possibilities in their work.